Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Gretchen from The Missing Link. Today we are going to go over a posture exercise. I get questions all the time about how to improve my core strength, how to improve my posture, and those are one and the same, but there are so many different exercises that you can do to improve your core strength and improve your posture even when you have multiple sclerosis. I am considering making a full program of my favorite core and posture exercises. So if that's something you would be interested in, drop your email address below or send me an email, which you can find in the comment section, and I'll make sure to let you know if and when that is being produced. But for today, I want to give you one exercise that you can definitely start doing right now, in this moment. I'm assuming you're sitting when you're watching this video, but even if you're standing, this is an exercise that you can do. But let me give you a little bit of background first. We round our shoulders so much throughout the day, and the reason for this is because it feels more natural. If I'm sitting in a chair or sofa, whether I'm at home, at work, in a wheelchair, whatever it might be, my posture is about this. So I'll show you from this side too, but from the front, this is what my posture looks like. If I scoot to the side, it looks like this. So it's not bad, right? It could be really slouched, but even in this position, my shoulders are rounded forward. It should be back like that. And when you are in that position for a while where your shoulders are just rounded forward, your pec muscles on both sides physically shorten. And when they shorten, they get tighter. And when they're tighter, it's even harder for you to sit up tall and get your shoulders back. So again, there's lots of exercises, but one super simple exercise you can start doing right now is this. You're going to sit up nice and tall in your chair, not leaning against the back of it. So you're in the middle of the chair. Your feet are about shoulder distance apart. Your abs are nice and taut. I don't want you squeezing your abs so that you're crunching down. It's not that intense. You're just keeping them nice and tight. From here, I want you to think of having a string on the top of your head and like someone's pulling it up to be your tallest self. Not so much that you're arching your back, but just so that you are as tall as you can. Tuck your chin just slightly down, palms face up. From here, slight squeeze of your shoulder blades. It's not a big enough squeeze where you're puffing your chest out like that. It's just a slight squeeze. So slight that if someone is watching you do this right now, they might not even know you're doing an exercise. But let me show you from the side so you can get a better view. So you are sitting in the middle of your chair. If it has armrest, great. If not, that is fine too. You're going to sit up nice and tall, not arching your back, just nice and tall, as if someone with a string is pulling you upright. Chin is slightly tucked, feet are shoulder distance apart, palms face up, slight squeeze. It's so slight that you might even have to really look in on this video. It's not a big squeeze like that. It's just roll your shoulders back and down slightly. And then stay here for as long as you can. You can stay this way. You can then put your palms down. It's a little bit easier to do this exercise with your palms up. With our palms down, that promotes rounding. Palms up promotes extension. So you could do this exercise when you're standing or sitting, and it's so slight that no one will notice. So you could just keep this position as long as you can throughout the day. And that's actually what I want you to do. Once you are in the right position, I want you to hold it for as long as you can. And realistically, you're probably going to forget, and within 30 seconds, you're going to be back in that rounded shoulder position. So set a reminder for yourself or have some type of cue throughout the day so that you can remember to consistently check yourself, fix yourself, and then hold it as long as you can. This is a 2-in-1 exercise because you're not only stretching the muscles on the front of your body, but you're strengthening your upper back muscles. And in order to have good posture, you need both. You need flexibility on the front and strength in the back. So you're getting both of those things with these exercises. The muscles that you're stretching are the pectoral muscles, and the muscles that you're strengthening are the rhomboids, which are the muscles that sit right between your shoulder blades. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are interested in learning more posture exercises and core strengthening exercises, please remember to comment below that you are interested with your email address so that I can reach out to you when I produce those videos and I'll get them directly to you. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video today. If you have a couple extra minutes, head over to these videos to watch them. And if you think of someone else that might like it, remember to share with a friend, press a thumbs up button, and press subscribe.